Ever wondered why the water from your well tastes a bit off, or why there's a sudden decrease in water pressure? Well, these are common issues that many well owners face. But no worries, because today we're diving into the world of well water problems and how to troubleshoot them. First things first, understanding the problem is key. There are a variety of issues that can arise with well water, from bacterial contamination to a decrease in well water levels. Each of these problems presents different symptoms. For instance, bacterial contamination might result in a foul smell or taste, while a decrease in water levels might lead to low water pressure. To identify the problem, begin by looking for visible signs. Are there any changes in the color, taste, or smell of the water? Is the water pressure lower than usual? Then consider recent weather patterns. Has there been a drought or heavy rainfall? These factors can significantly affect well water. Once you've identified the symptoms, it's time to get down to troubleshooting. If the water has a strange taste, smell, or color, it's likely due to bacterial contamination. The best course of action is to have your water tested by a professional. They can identify the specific contaminants and suggest appropriate treatment options. On the other hand, if the issue is low water pressure, it could be because of a problem with the well pump, pressure tank, or a decrease in water levels. For a problematic well pump, check for any signs of damage. If the pump seems to be in good condition, you might need to adjust the pressure switch and air pressure in pressure tank. However, if the problem persists, it's best to call a professional. In case of decreased water levels, it could either be due to a drought or overusage of water. If it's the former, consider implementing water conservation practices. If it's the latter, try to reduce water usage, especially during peak times. Now, if you're facing a sudden loss of water, it could be due to a mechanical failure, a broken pipe, or an issue with the electrical system powering the pump. In such cases, it's wise to call a professional immediately. Remember, when it comes to well water problems, prevention is always better than cure. Regular maintenance checks and water testing can go a long way in preventing these issues. So, to recap, start by identifying the problem, look for visible signs, and consider recent weather patterns. If it's a bacterial issue, get your water tested. If it's a problem with water pressure, check the well pump and adjust the pressure switch if needed. If you're dealing with decreased water levels, implement water conservation practices or reduce water usage. And finally, in case of a sudden loss of water, call a professional immediately. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to troubleshoot common well water problems. Remember, the key to a healthy well is regular maintenance and swift action when problems arise. Stay vigilant and keep your well water clean and safe.